Contrary to what one might believe, being a makeup artist is more than just a hobby and can be turned into a huge, successful and satisfying career. I was just one decision away to change my life altogether. It felt like a rebirth when I thought of following my passion, and I'm so thankful to God that I was fortunate and courageous enough to follow my heart.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Bhumika Bahl, a self-learned makeup enthusiast and a believer in dreaming to well. I am a celebrity makeup artist and a makeup educator based here in India. I am a makeover expert, a glamourologist, image consultant, grooming and etiquette expert, a kinesics enthusiast and a language expert too. I also provide wedding makeovers, beautiful wedding makeovers for your D-Day, keeping in sync your styling quotient. We are already a family of 3 lakh plus people on Instagram. My goal for this YouTube channel is to shape everyone's dream into realities. So if you feel that makeup interests you, or you want to be more creative, or you want to learn a variety of makeup tips, tricks and hacks, so this channel is for you. I would love to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and become a part of the creative group. I will make sure that you enjoy and learn at the same time from my videos. Before you guys leave, please don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on anything. Love you.